The Australian rail industry is truly unique, bringing challenges that are as formidable as the land itself, posing questions that demand an experienced hand to achieve results. The team at Omada Rail Systems offers the proven skill sets required to attain those results. We specialize in delivering high-quality engineering and management services. This includes planning, design, testing and commissioning of signalling, telecommunications and operational systems. We also have approved ISA reviewers and can perform ARTC, Metro Trains Melbourne and V-Line competency assessments. The name Omada is from the Greek word meaning team and is the central unifying ethos driving our core culture. The strength of our company lies in the calibre of our people, hailing from a diverse range of rail system backgrounds. We possess vast years of combined experience in delivering projects to the rail industry across Australia, Southeast Asia, Europe and the United Kingdom. The Omada Rail Systems team brings a wealth of specialised expertise that offers innovative, practical and cost-efficient solutions. Omada Rail Systems was formed through a desire to provide high-quality and value-for-money services to the Australian rail market. In line with this, we ensure that all of our work is done within Australia to maintain the highest quality. We believe in getting the basics right, identifying and understanding the requirements of any project, collaborating with our clients, and implementing stringent planning to ensure high-quality project delivery. We have a strong understanding of the business and economic fundamentals for delivering successful rail projects and have a complete, comprehensive understanding of the rail industry's complex operational requirements. We at Omada Rail Systems know that safety comes first, always. The professionalism of our staff and their thorough knowledge of rail network systems, standards, procedures and practices ensures that our obligation to safety is never compromised. Our experience in managing the engineering safety-critical systems has cemented this ideal in all of our working practices, evidenced through a dedicated process of accountability, planning, capability, leadership, and innovation. We are committed to leading the latest advancements in the rail industry and collaborating with global leaders. The Omada Rail Systems team is here to provide you with innovative ideas and solutions, building a strong and rewarding client relationship with you and your team. At Omada, we strive to meet and exceed your highest expectations, enabling you and your network to move confidently into the future.